This tiny electric ride fits in your backpack and can replace your daily commute. Meet the Walk Car 2 Pro, the ultimate breakthrough in mini electric vehicles, engineered by Coco Motors. This ultra-light device is no bigger than a laptop, yet powerful enough to transform how you move through the city. Just step on and control it naturally with your body. No handlebars, no hassle. Designed for modern urban life, it's perfect for last-mile commuting, quick errands, or beating traffic effortlessly. Slip it into your bag, carry it anywhere, and ride whenever you need. Smart, portable, and futuristic. This is not just transport, it's the future of personal mobility in your hands.
This tiny retro car looks cute, but it's changing city travel forever. Introducing the Microlino Light, a smart and stylish mini electric vehicle by Micro Mobility Systems. Inspired by classic bubble cars, it blends vintage design with modern electric innovation. Its compact size makes navigating busy streets effortless, while parking becomes incredibly easy, even in the tightest spots. Built as a low-speed quadricycle, it's perfect for short city commutes, offering a smooth, quiet, and efficient ride. Lightweight yet practical, it delivers comfort without complexity. Affordable, eco-friendly, and designed for everyday convenience, the Microlino Light proves that the future of urban mobility isn't bigger, it's smarter, smaller, and way more fun.
One wheel, zero limits. This ride is pure adrenaline on the streets. Meet the OneWheel Rally XL, a powerful next-gen ride from Future Motion that redefines urban mobility. Built for performance and control, its large 12-inch tire delivers superior traction and stability on rough city roads. The high-torque motor ensures fast acceleration and effortless hill climbing, making every ride smooth and responsive. With a wide stance for better balance and a solid range for daily commutes, it's designed for both thrill and practicality. Compact, portable, and incredibly fun, the Rally XL isn't just transportation, it's an experience built for riders who want freedom, power, and total control.
This tiny electric car charges from the sun. Welcome to the future. Introducing the Eva MicroEV, a smart urban mobility solution by Eva Mobility. Designed for crowded city life, its compact size makes navigating tight streets effortless while still offering comfortable seating for small families. What truly sets it apart is the integrated solar roof, helping extend range and reduce charging needs. With multiple battery options, it adapts to both quick trips and daily commutes. Smooth acceleration and safe city performance ensure a reliable driving experience. Affordable, eco-friendly, and innovative, the Eva MicroEV proves that smarter, cleaner transportation is already here.
3 wheels, total control. This futuristic ride feels like nothing else. Introducing the Tricera Proto, a bold electric concept by Yamaha Motor Company that reimagines urban driving. With its unique 3-wheel setup and independent steering system, it delivers unmatched agility and precision in tight city spaces. The open-top design creates a thrilling connection between driver and environment, blending the feel of a car with the excitement of a motorcycle. Built for both performance and emotion, every turn feels dynamic and engaging. Futuristic, innovative, and rider-focused, the Tricera Proto isn't just transportation, it's a whole new driving experience designed for the cities of tomorrow. Tiny size, serious performance. This EV is built for city domination. Meet the Zeromax, a compact electric powerhouse from Tazzari, built for the demands of modern urban life. Designed to glide through tight streets and heavy traffic, it makes city driving effortless while offering easy parking anywhere. Its lightweight frame and efficient electric drivetrain delivers zero emissions without sacrificing performance. With multiple speed configurations, it adapts to different urban regulations worldwide. Powered by advanced lithium battery technology, it ensures a reliable range for daily use. Practical, comfortable and smart, the Zeromax proves that small electric vehicles can deliver big results in everyday mobility.
Too small to believe, but this EV can carry 2 people. Introducing the Swapa Zip, a compact urban EV from Swapa designed to simplify city travel. Built for tight streets and limited parking, its ultra-small size makes navigation effortless. Despite its compact form, it comfortably seats 2 passengers, making it ideal for daily commuting. As a lightweight quadricycle, it focuses on efficiency, ease of use, and practicality over speed. The smooth, quiet electric drivetrain ensures a stress-free ride, while the removable battery adds flexible charging convenience. Smart, space-saving, and reliable, the Swapa Zip proves that big mobility solutions can come in surprisingly small packages.
A scooter with a full cabin? This EV changes everything. Meet the Buggy X Pro, a smart, compact EV by Danac designed for effortless urban travel. Combining the simplicity of a scooter with the comfort of a fully enclosed cabin, it protects you from weather while keeping rides smooth and stress-free. Perfect for short trips and daily errands, its compact design makes navigating tight city streets incredibly easy. The electric motor delivers quiet, zero-emission performance, ideal for eco-conscious commuting. With user-friendly controls and practical design, the Buggy X Pro proves that convenient, comfortable, and clean transportation can come in one compact package.